Hello, class. I just wanted to take a minute to talk about Java and the Project One suggestions. I know a few of you have asked about Java and whether the class is a Java coding class, and it is not. Where this is operating platforms, and so we do have to build a application or use an application to be able to load it onto an operating platform and look at the advantages and disadvantages of different operating platforms. So that's the whole point of all these other tools that we're using. But don't get too hung up, if you're not a Java programmer at work. If you can look at the Java programming so far, what you've done, the program's already there and you're just fixing certain issues in it. It does help you, along the way with the whole program as far as capturing um, requirements and constraints and business goals. And so we're looking at all those, but the main thing is operating platform. So dive into the actual rubric and the requirements. If you look at this rubric for Project One, the software design template, just executive summaries were 15 points. The constraints are 20 points, the models 20 points, the design patterns are 25 points. And that's the heart. That's 110 points out of 125 points, or 105 points out of 125. And leaving the Java application program functionality and best practices at 15 points. And even breaking that down, best practices includes inline comments and appropriate naming conventions and putting your name in there and what should be changed. And so if the program doesn't run, this project does not make this program run. This project is to build a summary, put in the constraints, build a model, put in the different design patterns, modify the program, add your annotation, your inline comments, and then discuss it as well in your articulation and response. And so, just go through, work through these, go through the requirements. But, if you're having problems with Java, that's something I'm not expecting you to, be a senior level Java programmer by the end of this course or coming into the course. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'm always here. Like I said, I check my email every morning and evening and throughout the day. And I'm having fun with this project, and it's the only thing due this week. If you got behind on the last project, remember, get that in by this Sunday. And I look forward to looking at your projects and your reviews and, your executive summaries and all the parts of this project. And we'll talk to you soon.